Welcome to the nose. Please state the purpose of your visit.
Oh, I'm just passing through.
Okay, if you just stand over there, there's a sneeze coming in 3, 2... Next. Hi, we're here for the party. What party?
The one that's starting now?
Oh, there's nothing in the diary about a party today. I'm sorry, I can't let you through.
Whoa! Yeah! Guys, do you know what? I'm in the mood for a party. Come on through, guys.
3 hours later.
What on earth is going on here?
Oh, come on through. We're just having a party.
But I'm not usually allowed past this point. So, come and join us.
What's the worst that can happen?